Hallo und welcome back to German Blue, your place to learn Deutsch step by step. Einfach und Spaces. Simple and fun. Let's go. Okay, this is our fourth lesson, Lektion 4. Our lesson is Zahlen. Zahlen 21 und 100. Numbers 21 to 100. In previous lesson, we learned the numbers from 0 to 20 step by step. If you haven't watched that video yet, make sure to check it out first. It will really help you understand this lesson better. From 21 onwards, the numbers in German are said backwards compared to English. For example, in English we say 21. But in German, it becomes einundzwanzig, which literally means 1 and 20. So that structure is unit plus und tens. Und meaning and. Not like English where we say 10 first. Our German say first unit. An example, 21. einundzwanzig. Ein plus und plus 20. 1 plus n plus 20. 21, 21. 32, 32. 2 plus und plus 30. 2 plus n plus 30. 32. 32. Let's start it step by step. 21. einundzwanzig. einundzwanzig. We say ein und from 21, not eins. Eins, not eins, ein. einundzwanzig. 22, 22. 22, 22. 23, 23. 23. 24, 24. 24. 25, 25. 25. 26, 26. 26. 27, 27. 27. We learned 17, same, but 27, 7 becomes 7. Okay, remember this. 28, 28, 28, 28. 29, 29, 29, 29. Okay, then 21, 21, 1. Okay, not eins, ein. Okay, remove S, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29, 27, not 7 becomes 7. Okay. This pattern continue from 21 to 99. Okay. 30, 30, 30. 40, 40, 40. 50, 50, 50. 60, 60, 60, 60. Not 6, 60, 60. 70, 70, not 70, 70, 70. 80, 80, 80. 90, 90, 90. Now let's try some mixed numbers. You can try before me. Okay. 36, 36, 36. 45, 45, 45. 59, 59, 59. This one, comment below. Okay. Finally, 100, 100, 100. You can say only 100, 100 or 100. Beide is correct. Okay. You did an amazing job learning the German numbers from 21 to 100. Remember the key tricks is say the numbers backwards. Unit plus un plus tens. Like 3 and 40. 3 and 40. 43. 43. Keep practicing them out loud. You can even try saying your age, phone number or favorite number in German. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Danke fürs Zuschauen. Bis bald. See you soon in the next lesson at German Glow. Tschüss.